Basic position where most exercises begin. Standing position. Feet together or feet parallel. The feet are about 1 inch apart, toes pointing forward, arms at the sides. Stride position. The feet are apart about 12 inches wide. The stride may be made wider than 12 inches. The weight of the body is on both and the trunk is at the center. Arms at sides. Lunge position. Bend one knee, the other leg straight, weight on the both feet. Half knee bend. Feet together, knees about 45 degrees angle. Feet flat on floor, body erect, hands on hips. Full knees bend or squat position. The knees are fully bent, sit in the heels of the feet. The weight of the body is on the balls of the feet. Next is kneeling position. Kneeling position, one leg extended sideward position. Kneeling on one leg, the other extended sideward, forward or backward. Half kneeling position, right or left. Kneeling on right, left in half, kneeling position in front, hands on hips. Stride kneeling position, kneeling on both knees with knees apart.